Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome to what I assume is going to be one of the most anticipated lessons in this entire course, my secret keyword process. You guys are going to get so much value from this if you actually implement this process that I'm about to show you. First of all, before I get into the process, let's go over what you will need. You will need for this process a VIDIQ account, at least on the lowest plan, which I think is $7 a month. You will also need Google Docs or just Microsoft Word as an alternative, something to write things down on, and you will need Google Sheets. Now, I recommend Google Sheets. You can also use Microsoft Excel or any other spreadsheet software, but I highly recommend Google Sheets because of the super cool function that I'm going to show you that you can actually implement into Google Sheets to find the absolute best keywords for your YouTube videos and your YouTube channel as a whole. And by implementing the process that I'm about to show you, you can absolutely blow up your YouTube channels. I am going to make a disclaimer that this isn't the only thing that goes into having a high-performing YouTube channel. You also have to make high-performing videos, which means videos that get high audience retention and videos that have a high click-through rate. But if you combine all of these together, your channel is absolutely going to blow up. And I've never had a channel not blow up that I've implemented each of these separate steps on that you are going to learn. Without further ado, let us get into the keyword process. Now let's take a look at what this keyword process actually looks like. So the keyword process starts with researching. Now this is researching what keywords that we're going to use. And then what we want to do is cleanse out the list of keywords that we have, and then we're going to want to sort the keywords from the best opportunity to the worst opportunity. And then we're going to want to analyze those with our own eyes, actually go in and analyze the keywords and find the best ones based off of the parameters that I'm going to be giving you guys in this lesson. And then we are going to want to actually implement these keywords into our YouTube channel, which means basically just plugging them in to our channel keywords and to the keywords and tags that you put on every single video that you upload. Like I said, you guys are going to get a ton of value from this. Let's get right into it. Alright, so the keyword process starts with making a list of 20 seed keywords. Now, what are seed keywords? I define seed keywords as keywords describing the type of content that you are going to be uploading on your YouTube channel. For the example of my personal brand channel called Make Money Matt, where I teach people how to make money online, these are the list of seed keywords that I used for my channel. Make money on YouTube, YouTube, income, make money online. Now this does not at all have to be a very refined list of keywords. These are your seed keywords that you're going to plug into VidIQ. So this list can be kind of a rough draft off the top of your mind of the types of videos that you're going to be making. If you can't think of 20 different seed keywords, then you might want to consider doing another niche on YouTube, because you're going to be at a loss for video ideas if you can't think of at least 20 different seed keywords that describe your YouTube channel, that describe a type of content that you'll be making, or that describe the types of videos that you'll be posting. I recommend just opening up a Google Docs document and then making this list of 20 different seed keywords. If you do more than 20, that's fine. However, I recommend about 20 because of the process that I'm about to show you might take a few hours time, and if you do more than 20 keywords, it's going to take a long time. So I recommend around 20 keywords. I always just stick with 20. Once you have your seed keywords done, then we are going to start plugging them into VidIQ. So we go to VidIQ, and then we go to the keyword research function within VidIQ. And we simply copy each of the keywords. So we copy that first keyword, make money on YouTube, and then we plug it into VidIQ and we hit search. Now once we search, it'll bring up this huge list of a bunch of keywords. Now what we're going to want to do is actually highlight every single keyword that is showing and highlight all of the results and all of the statistics for those keywords all in one go. Right click and then copy that entire giant list of keywords. Once you have this giant list of keywords copied, we're going to want to paste it into a Google Sheets document. And as you guys can see, it'll look something like this. So make a Google Sheets document labeled keyword research. And once you make this document, then you paste that entire giant list of keywords, including the related keywords, the related score, search volume, search score, competition score, overall score, and number of words, that whole thing, paste it into that keyword research spreadsheet. And then when we pasted that whole giant list of keywords into our spreadsheet, then we're going to want to go back to our seed keywords and then copy the next one. So then we go number 2, we take YouTube, and then we paste YouTube in there. Then we have this whole list of results again. We highlight it, right-click, copy it, and then we paste it on the bottom of that list. So we continue off where the list ends. So as you can see, the list ended on the 133rd row. So then we go down to that row and we paste our next big list of keywords. And when you do this, you might notice that there will be a related keywords, related score, that whole little thing at the top right there. I put a red thing through it because you're going to want to get rid of that row. So what you're going to want to do is click on that row and then right click and then delete row. So make sure that row is not in there, remove that row, and then make sure all of the keywords are lined up correctly and the related score, search volume, search score, competition score, all that stuff is all lined up correctly. And then you're going to want to do this entire process for every single keyword that you have on your list. Like I said, this might take a little bit of time, but this is a one-time process that you do for your YouTube channel. This is something you only have to do once. And then once you do it, you'll know that you have a highly optimized YouTube channel and all of your videos are optimized as much as they can be. Once you do this whole process, you will notice that you have a list of around 3,000 keywords. Now, it might be a little bit more or a little bit less depending on how many search results that VIDIQ gives you for each keyword that you input to VIDIQ, so it might vary a little bit. And you might be saying that you have a bunch of duplicate keywords in there, and how are you going to get those out? Now, I'm going to show you a super cool search function to get those out in just a second, but before we do that, what we're going to want to do is get rid of a few columns. So, as you guys can see, there will be a column on the left-hand side with absolutely nothing in it. Make sure to get rid of that column, so you just right-click, remove column, and then you're going to want to get rid of the related score column, because we're going to be judging relatedness based off of our own perceived values. So get rid of the related score column, and then also get rid of the search score. We're not going to need that. And also finally get rid of the number of words. That serves us not much value, just knowing how many words are in a given keyword. So get rid of each of those columns. Then you will be left with just the related keywords column, the search volume column, the competition score column, and the overall score column. And it should look a little something like this. And like I said, there won't just be the number of keywords that you see on the screen. There will be a lot more. So as you scroll down in your Google Sheet, you should have a list of around 3,000 different keywords. And a lot of them will be the same, but I'm just saying different because we haven't sorted out the duplicates yet. And I'm going to show you how to sort out those duplicates right now. So what we're going to want to do is actually input a function within Google Sheets, specific to Google Sheets, that will allow you to get the unique keywords and filter out all of those copies of the different keywords. Because let's say your channel is about making money on YouTube like mine is, and we put in a keyword, how to make money on YouTube, and then we put in the other keyword, how to make money on YouTube without creating videos in VidIQ, we're going to get a lot of the same keywords in there. So out of our list of 3,000, a lot of these keywords are going to be duplicates. To get rid of these duplicates, we are going to want to input this unique function. This function is equal unique, and then you're going to want to put in parentheses A1 through D, and then close the parentheses. And you can copy this function. I'm going to put it below this video within the course, so you can simply copy this function and put it into Google Sheets yourself. What you're going to want to do is either open up a completely new sheet, or just do like I did and go a couple columns to the right. So as you can see, there is the original column on the left. I just went a few columns to the right, and then what I did is I clicked on the box F1, and then I input that function. I put in unique A1 through D, and then that will give you your entire list of unique keywords from your giant list of the 3,000 keywords, of which there will be a lot of duplicates. This list will be your refined list of only your unique keywords. The next step is to then copy this refined list of unique keywords. Make sure you do not copy the old keywords on the left-hand side, and you only copy your refined list of your unique keywords. So you go ahead and highlight that entire list. It should be under 1,000 keywords. Once you highlight that entire list, you either click Control-C or right-click copy that entire list of keywords, and then you're going to want to make a new sheet and then label the keywords, because your labels will most likely get lost. The labels that say keyword, search volume, competition, overall, those labels will most likely be lost in the process. So make sure when you make your new sheet to put those labels at the top, and then to go down one and right click and paste your list of keywords. So that way you'll be able to see the keywords, the search volume, competition, overall, and then I would also recommend making a little notes column on the right hand side there for what I'm about to show you in just a second. Once we have this list of keywords, we're going to want to sort it by the best overall score. So you might be asking what that means. Overall score on VIDIQ weighs the competition against the search volume of a given keyword. So if a keyword has a search volume of 15 million and a competition of only 20, then it's going to be a very high overall score, and the higher the overall score, the better. The way we're going to sort it by best overall score is by right-clicking on the column F that says overall score, as you can see right here in this sheet. The column might be different depending on what your sheet looks like, but you're going to right-click the overall column, and then you're going to want to go sort sheet Z through A. Make sure you do Z through A. I messed up there on the first one, so I crossed it out. Make sure you put Z through A, and this will sort the sheet from the highest value to the lowest values, and in turn be able to see the best overall keywords ranked from the best to the least. And as you guys can see, the top overall keyword for me is actually make money online in Pakistan, and these might be some really shocking keywords that you can later make videos on, and I'm going to get into that a little bit more right now. You're going to want to go through your list of keywords and find the ones that are going to be able to relate to every single video that you upload on your YouTube channel. Now, like I said, you are going to be able to refer back to this list for video ideas. So let's say you ever need a video idea in the future. You can then refer back to this list, and you can see that make money online in Pakistan is one of the top things for this list. So I think I'm actually going to personally make a video on this in the future because it's such a great keyword opportunity. But you can go through this list, find the ones that are the best video ideas, and that is what that little note column on the right hand side is for. It's so you can make a note, like maybe put a note saying video, or maybe put a note saying channel. Now, I recommend putting a little note saying channel if the keyword relates to every single video that you upload on your YouTube channels. Go through this entire list from top to bottom because we sorted it by the best overall to the least overall. So let me go through a couple as an example. So make money online in Pakistan. Now, not every single video that I upload on my YouTube channel will be related to making money online in Pakistan. However, we might be able to make a video on this given keyword. We're going to want to go to our notes and then maybe make a note saying video. And then we go down. The next keyword is make cash flow, and has an overall score of 85, which is incredibly good, by the way. Now, this keyword actually does relate to every single video that I upload on my YouTube channel. It's all about making money online. Make cash flow is actually an amazing keyword. What I'm going to do is go to the notes and then put channel there in with the notes. And then I go down to affiliate marketing. Now, not every single video that I upload is going to be about affiliate marketing, but I might make a playlist of affiliate marketing videos, in which case I might put playlist in the notes. And then I go down to the next one, using YouTube. Now, maybe not every single video I make will be about making money using YouTube. So in the notes for this one, I might put in YouTube, because I can put this incredibly good keyword on every single YouTube video that I upload. Free PayPal money, that won't relate to every video. How to make $1,000 online doesn't relate to every video. However, online business is actually an incredibly good keyword, and I will definitely want to make a note putting channel there, because this is a keyword that I can put on every single video that I upload on my channel. And you're going to want to do this till you have a list of about 5 to 10 different keywords that are at least above an overall score of 60, I recommend. So as you can see right here, I just made a little separate section of the Google Sheets, and I listed this as my upload defaults, my 5 to 10 tags that I will put on every single video that I upload on my YouTube channel. I put them in right there, so let's take a look at the keywords. Side hustle, that relates to every single video that I'm going to upload. Make money online, earn online, how to earn money online, how to make money online, how to earn online. make money online fast, online earning, and side income. All of these keywords, what they have in common is that they relate to every single video that I'm going to upload on my channel. And this is going to take advantage of the consistent metadata tactics that I'm also going to be showing you guys. This is incredibly important that you do this because your own videos, since they all have similar keywords on every single one, will start appearing in the suggested video feeds of your own videos. And then when users find your videos, they will go through loops of watching your videos. And since these keywords are an amazing overall score and have an amazing search volume, you will actually appear high in the search results if your video performs well in terms of audience retention. So then every single view you get from search, you will be making the most of that view, and in turn, then your videos will start getting recommended and suggested, and this is literally, I'm giving you guys up front how you can make YouTube channels go viral. This is how you do it. And so taking a look at those keywords one more time, those are the keywords, and as you can see, if we look at the tags on my actual YouTube videos, those are the tags I use. I have those exact keywords in those blue boxes under the videos. I have those exact keywords in every single YouTube video that I upload. And that is how to take advantage of consistent metadata on YouTube to the fullest. Now, you might also notice in those lists of keywords that I also have very similar tags in the beginning list of those tags. And that is because the more similar your tags are to one another in the videos, the better on average your videos will perform. So I highly recommend having different tags for different segments of videos. So for example, if I make videos on how to make money on YouTube and then I make videos on how to make money with affiliate marketing, then what I'll want is a set of tags that I use at the beginning of every single video that I upload on how to make money on YouTube, and then a different set of tags for every single video I make on affiliate marketing. Now, this can apply to any type of channel that you guys are running. For example, if you're running a gaming channel and you do different segments of videos on different games, then for each game that you do, make sure you have the same keywords on that video for that game, and then when you do a different game, have a different segment of keywords. But the one thing you are going to keep consistent in every single video is that list of 5 to 10 keywords at the end of your keyword list. Make sure that is always the same. That is how you take advantage of consistent metadata on YouTube. Alright guys, so that was my secret keyword process. I know you guys got a ton of value from this, and you will get a ton of value if you actually go in and implement everything that I showed you in this lesson. In the next lesson, I'm going to actually show you how you can implement this process even further into your YouTube channel by implementing channel keywords and a bunch of other cool things that you guys are going to get a ton of value from. So I really look forward to seeing you guys in the next lesson. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you there.